Kidde's two-story fire escape ladder keeps you prepared for the possibility of a fire or other emergencies. It provides the means for a quick and easy escape from a two-story home and features a strong and durable construction. And it's easy to use. It attaches quickly to most common window frames. Its tangle-free design makes it fast and easy to deploy. Anti-slip, zinc-plated steel rungs prevent slipping and ensure a safe descent. Kidde, peace of mind.
Setting up your Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub is easy. In this installation overview, we'll walk you through installing the MyQ app, adding the hub to your account, pairing the door sensor, pairing the garage door opener, and installing the hub. Follow the progress menu at the bottom of the screen to see where you are in the setup, or if you need to go back and watch a step over again. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual.